Hello YouTube, it is me, Ty Glam5 here, back with another YouTube video. And I know I have not posted in so long. Please forgive me. I haven't had any inspiration to do any makeup looks. I just didn't know what to post. I didn't have no content idea. But I'm back and I'm better, and I will be posting more consistently. And yeah, so stay tuned for more. So basically, this video is a 2-month hair update on the Shanatae beauty hair that I did with the 3 bundles in the front tube. 3 bundles in a closure, deep wave. So yeah, this is just the update, how the hair turned out. If the hair's still good, if the hair's not stiff, if it's shedding, you know, just this and that, and just the regulars, the pros and the cons of the hair. You know, just an update. So yeah, let's get started and right into this hair. So basically, as you know, the hair was, she sent me an 18-inch closure, 3 bundles, which were 2 were 22-inch and 1 was a 20-inch bundle. So you know, this hair was longer, but I ended up cutting it into a bob, and this is how it looks. This is how the closure looks. You know, we're doing good. So yeah. Basically, I didn't really like how it looked as long because the texture wasn't really there. I would have to wet it so much and then it would leak down my back and stuff like that. So I ended up cutting it. And then I experimented with it a couple of days ago. And I customized it with Eco Styler Gel. And I would put the Eco Styler Gel in the hair and just like crump it together and make it curly. So this is how it looks. This is what it looks like. So yeah, basically, now let's get into the update. So the update of the hair was really good, still really soft. It doesn't shed when I wash it. When I brush it, it doesn't shed. But when I tried to flat iron it, it wasn't really straight. It was just more of like a puffy straight. So yeah, I gave up on straightening it. Then that's when I had cut it. So yeah, and then I washed it. So yeah, basically that's all I have to really say about this hair. The hair is really good. I would buy this hair if she didn't send it to me. I would buy it. I do recommend this hair if you guys are looking for a good hair. She does still sell hair. I will see if I can get the link to her website, or she has a website, I'm not too sure, but I'll link her Instagram and stuff down below so you guys can go purchase her hair. She also sells lipsticks and stuff like that. So yeah, so I hope you guys enjoy this 2-month update, and you stay tuned for more videos. Bye.